We had to move some snow around yesterday, Keith, but quieter today.
Yeah, and it was like, I thought it was fairly festive snow overall. And it didn't really come down too hard at any given time. The freezing drizzle in between we could have done without, but
you can always do without that.
Can't win them all. It was a nice coating, couple inches, 3-4 inches in a lot of spots through Christmas and the Christmas night as well. Now visible satellite looking good. We're nice and bright. Temperatures, not really going to respond too much to sunshine this time of the year. It's, as I often say, a mental thing, the sun. When you get into the middle of winter, it doesn't make much of a difference temperature-wise. Now we got a system off to our south and west, and this is going to be a theme through this week where we've got these little systems that are largely breaking apart as they move into Maine, but they stay together just enough to give us snow showers, snow squalls, a couple of chances of rain showers along the coastline throughout the week as well. But we'll focus on the first one first, which will come into an air mass that's in the 30s right now and 20s. So it will be squarely cold enough for snow overnight tonight. Watch the models try to push this in over southern and western Maine around 2-3 o'clock. A lot of us will be sleeping when the beginning of this comes in. It might get locally enhanced, and this is not the only model that thinks so, over southern Maine through tomorrow morning. So it's a possibility that the morning commute, especially the early part of it, could be a little bit dicey over southern Maine. With temperatures in the 20s, light to moderate snow. Kind of breaks into more light and off and on snow through 7, 8, 9 o'clock, then moves through Bangor around 10, 11 o'clock and through Millinocket as well with a couple of decent bands. The whole thing should move out of here by the afternoon, and we probably see a little bit of late day sunshine, especially over southern and western Maine. Talk about snowfall amounts on that in just a second. Go ahead into Wednesday, and it's a mixture of sun and clouds. Temperatures only around freezing or so, maybe mid-30s over southwestern Maine. Clouds try to increase on Wednesday night, and we'll have another system similar that'll be kind of breaking apart as it moves towards us. Could give us a couple of snow showers once again Wednesday night and into Thursday. So it'll be a little bit of an unsettled week. As far as snowfall amounts, we like to draw maps most of the time, but these little ones, usually the models have a pretty good handle on. So I think an inch is pretty likely in a lot of spots here. Early tomorrow morning through the middle of the day. Some local enhancement being picked up on this model up towards Caribou. It's possible that they get 2 or 3 inches there, but I think most of us around an inch will do it. Enough that you maybe have to move it. I don't know if it's plowable, but you have to push it out of the way at least. So here's that system that comes through tomorrow. It breaks up, and then Wednesday we've got a system to our south that kind of breaks up as well. Thursday there's a larger storm that should miss us, but I think just being on the north side of that will give us rain and snow showers on Thursday into Thursday night. And then another system, this is the only one that could be larger, comes in on Saturday night, Sunday. At this point it's rain along the coast, but obviously we'll keep an eye on it as we get closer. So a lot of snowflakes, not a lot of real snow action though here. I think we're looking at an inch, a dusting, just here and there. And then of course New Year's Eve is on Friday night. That looks fine right now. I don't think there's any big problems. Appropriately cold for this time of the year. Starting to cloud up on Saturday afternoon. We'll see what happens on Sunday. Again, early indications are it could be a rain event along the coast, perhaps snow in the mountains. So a lot of little tiny things, nothing I think you need to be too worried about.
Kind of a nuisance snow.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, Keith. Still to come on News Center.